Okay, so this is Glenn's welding station. We got him a welding table. So whenever he does his welds, anything touching the table, all he has to do is ground the table and it'll weld anywhere on here. It doesn't work that way for the plasma cutter, but that's the way it works. Got him a MIG welder. And he's trying to show me the quick way to snip it off, and I told him that's why I have these. I just clip it. Makes life simple. So this is the MIG welder we got him. It's entry level. And when you open it up on the inside, it tells you the different thicknesses of the metal and how to set the machine up based on how thick it is. This is just a guide, but it runs on wire. It self-feeds. You can adjust the voltage going to the wire and the speed on how quickly the wire feeds. We also got him a plasma cutter. So instead of a torch, he's really at it. He's been using the hell out of this. So we're working on this, but he used the air pressure and everything. He's using the, yeah, he's doing good. We put a fan in for him to get any of the fumes going out. He has to open all the doors and turn all the fans on in the building, just so he doesn't have fumes. But this camera up here also has a CO2 detector, and we have a CO2 detector there. So it'll make a really loud noise if there's too much CO2 in here. And plus the fan keeps the fumes going through here pretty well. So he's been welding a lot. He's getting used to it. He's used to a much bigger machine. So he's getting used to this one. And he's asked me for some more stuff. That's the plasma cutter he did yesterday. And that's what he did today. Yeah. I have to show him a trick though. I keep leaving this out for him. If he were to do that and go down that, it'd be a straight line. You take the plasma and just run along that edge like that, you have a straight line all the way through. So, and that's how I do it. I got him a wire wheel and everything. We got fire extinguishers and everything set up for him. I bought him some metal down here. I got him a grinder. I just got him a wire wheel to put on a grinder today, so he can use that tomorrow. Everything's hooked up here for the welder and the plasma cutter, as well as we have an air line coming in. The plasma requires compressed air. The MIG does not require air at all. No argon gas or anything. So I ran a separate socket just for his grinder so he wouldn't have to keep unplugging everything. And he can pull that over and have plenty of length on it. So, but he's been really excited for it the past couple of days anyway. Yeah.